Hello guys, today I am about to teach you SAP MM Material Management module. So first we need to know what is materials management. Materials management is the process of planning and controlling material flows. Okay, so when we do configuration for MM module, first we need to construct organizational structure. In this video, first I will teach you how to construct this structure, organizational structure. Okay, so for this, we need to log on to our SAP server. Then we need to give T code SPRO. Okay, then SAP reference ING. What ING says, ING means implementation guide. Abbreviation of implement guide is IMG. Okay, click on IMG, then go to enterprise structure, then definition. Here you need to go to the node financial accounting, then define company. First we need to define a company. Okay, so the data is locked, so I'm just unlocking it. Then we will start shortly. It's a small process. This may happen if you are working in an online server, so it's not an issue. So let's just continue where we were. We were in this node, under the node define company. Okay, so here we have the list of companies, company codes, company name 2. SAP server has its own standard company. I recommend you always to copy a company code, then to click on new entries. Go to position, then give 1000 company code. Here it is. Select it and copy it. Here, at the place of 1000, we need to give our company code, which is maybe QPL000. Company code is always alphanumeric. It could be alphanumeric or numeric or alphabet. So here I just 6-digit. It has to be 6-digit alphanumeric code. I'm giving my company name, which I chose to be Quadrant Private Limited. Then I need to suggest company name 2, which I can write it down as QPL. Just street is not a mandatory field. Post box number not mandatory. Postal code is not mandatory. City is not mandatory. City here I can put like Delhi. Then country code. Our country code is IN. I'm showing you. here, GHIIN India. Okay. Then language key is always English, and then currency, our currency in India is INR, right? So press enter, and I can see my company code, my company name, and name of company too. So I just need to save it. So when you click on save button, you will see this window. It is for customizing request. This number SAP provides you. Here, this is another project, and just click on create request. I'm giving a short description of my project, which is maybe quadrant project, and nothing. I'm just save it. Click on save. See, here SAP provides you this customizing number or TR transaction number. Just click on continue and data was saved. Go back, go to go to edit, copy, delete and check company code. Execute, edit company code data. Here also go to position. I would recommend you to copy. Standard company code here is 1000. I'm just copying. Select this 1000 and then copy as here. Here I need to give my company code, which is 4-digit alphanumeric key. It may consist of only alphabets or numeric. So it's maybe QPL 0. Okay, then I have to provide company name, which is again Quadrant Private Limited. City Delhi. Country IN India. Currency INR. And language EN English. Click on enter. Now this window has just popped up. See, here company is already there. Now I need to put the name of the company as well. Quadrant Private Limited. Again, name of these are the system concerns under the main company which I created earlier. Then quadrant. I don't know this quadrant, just will do. And search term not needed. I will here provide you only the details that is mandatory. Okay. So without wasting time, I'm just erasing other company details. I'm putting mine only. Say, whatever the field is mandatory, you will see this tick mark, which says this field is mandatory and you need to fill it up. Okay, so country is IN, as I said earlier, is India, and then region, I have to search it. Region, like Delhi is 30. Then time zone city, give it as it is, language English, and telephone number is not a mandatory field, so skip it and save it. Copy it. Number of entries copied to PL0, which I just have created. Now save it. I'm saving it under my project, and this tier number is already provided by SAP, and I'm just continuing. So this is the process of copying or uh, making companies plans, etc. Now I'm going back, and this is company portal is done. Now I'm moving to the north. I'm closing with not financial accounting. Now I'm moving to the north. Logistics general. Okay, go to the north and define, copy, delete, check, plant. Okay, now I need to create and maintain plant for my company. Let's select define plant, and here, same as earlier, put plant 1000. I will copy it. Uh, Copy this plant. Copy as here I'm putting my plant code like QPL1 maybe first company. So you must note it down, okay? What the code you are giving. So you need to note it down. And plant name is Quadrant Plant 1. Okay. So short name QP1. I'm just putting it this way. Here, see, it is asking for county code, city code, factory calendar. These are not mandatory, so you can keep it as it is. But since factory calendar Germany standard is given, I'm erasing it and putting it IN, Indian factory calendar. Now enter, and this again this will be up. Now the title. Plant is of course company, and now give the name as Quadrant Plant 1, and then Quadrant Plant 2. Search down. Not needed. I said earlier I will fill up only the field that is mandatory. Okay, and these fields are not mandatory, so I'm just skipping it. You can fill it up as per your business scenario, as per your company requirement. So just keep in mind your company, you will be your company will provide you these details anyhow. Okay, so no need to worry about all this, and code blocks not purpose. The code is also not needed, so I'm just erasing it, and yeah, that's all. Nothing more needed, and number of inches copied. So this is my plant, and I'm just saving it. Save. Yeah, fine. See, here I am creating two plants under the company code QPL0. Okay, so this is my first company, and this is my first plant. I'm sorry, this is my first plant, and the second plant I will be creating by copying my first plant. Okay, QPL2 maybe. Quadrant plant 2, QPL2. Rest the same. I'm just doing enter, and is company quadrant plant 2, and it's quadrant plant 2, and name 2 QPL2. So again, see here, system automatically copied other details from my previous plant code. Okay, which is why I just copied instead of entering new plant. Okay, so just copy copy it. See, this line is showed up, and now I'm just saving it. That's it. Yeah, data saved. Don't forget to save whatever you are entering. Don't forget to save. Okay. Now define copy delete check division. Define copy delete check division. I'm executing this. Define division. Here, so many divisions are already here, so I can use any of this, or I can copy any of this. Okay, the division I can copy or make new entry as well. Earlier I created one division like E4, which is already here. Okay, so I'm not copying it and creating another. You just I'm just showing you how to do it. You just copy one division and select copy as, and here put your own division code and name of your division. That's all. You don't need to do anything else. So I will be using E4 because it is already here and I don't need to work on this much. So after logistics general, I need to come to the node materials management. Expand this node. Here, execute maintain storage locations. Storage locations need to be maintained under plant. I have two plants. First, I am maintaining under plant 1, QPL1 was my first plant, right? So just enter it and now go to new entries, which will allow us to uh, select create new entries of the storage locations. So I need to put the code first, maybe Q1. Uh, then it's for storing raw materials. Then Q2, it will be for storing semi-finished materials. Then Q3 for finished materials. And lastly, Q4 is for storing trading goods. Okay. Now just save it. Other project. Okay. Now go back and go back. Since I have two plants, I need to maintain storage locations for second plant too. So my second plant was QPL2, right? Now continue. And same as before, new entries. Here I need to change my storage location code, which is P1. Again, same. P1 is for storing raw materials. Then P2. P2 is for storing semi-finished materials. P3 is for storing like finished materials, and P4 is for storing trading goods. Okay, it's done and save it. Continue. Okay, now go back and now come to the node maintain purchasing organization. Execute. Here I can do the same. 1000 is a standard purchase organization, or it may be 0001 as well. I think no, there is no 0001. Okay, I'm taking 1000 as standard and I'm copying this. Let me put my purchase organization code, which could be QPL O. QPLO. Okay. So I have to put the description which shows what trends purchase org. What in goods organization. Yeah. Enter number of entries copied, say, and save it. Don't forget to save. Okay. So now it is done. And one important thing under the node, come under the node materials management, and then under the node purchasing. Here you can see create purchasing group. This is very important. Execute, go to position. Our purchasing group has not been created, so I will create it. Purchasing group. I need to create it. Yeah. So go to new entries. Don't need to copy. See, purchasing group. Maybe QG. Yeah. Description. Quadrant. Purchasing group. GOG. It's not much for it, so just enter this and save it. Yeah. Data was saved. See. Now I need to assign. First, under enterprise structure, we defined. Now we need to assign this company to company code to branch to process organization. Okay. So come under the node after defining all this. Come under the node assignment. I'm expanding this node under assignment. Come to the node financial accounting. Expand this node. Here you can see assign company code to company. Execute it. Okay, it's already logged, so I just need to unlock system again. Just the same thing I'm doing. Give me a minute. Okay, it's done. And I'm repeating the same, okay? Under enterprise structure, under assignment, come to the node financial accounting. Here, go to the node assign company code to company, just execute it. Here, go to position, and what was our company code? 4-digit company code was QPL0, right? And see, city is Delhi. What was our company? QPL000. Enter. See, it is suggesting our company name, Quadrant Private Limited. Enter and save it. Continue. Done. Now go back and then close this financial accounting node and then come under logistics general node. Here, come to the node assign plans to company code. Execute this. Go to position. Here our first plan was QPL1. Right. Nothing is showing. That means we need to do new entries. New entries. Our company code is QPL0. And our first plant was QPL1. Quadrant plant 1. And then Our company code is QPL0 and our plant is QPL2. Yeah. And enter it. See, plant name and company name will automatically come. Okay. Just save it. Don't forget to save. Yeah. Go back. Go back again. And then go under the node. Assign business area to plant, valuation area, and division. Execute this node. Under this node, go to plant to division. Again, go to position and put plant QPL1. Nothing is showing up, so I need to go to the new entry set. Here, our first plant is QPL1 and our second plant is QPL2. The division was what I was saying, division was E4. E4. E4 was energy division which I prepared earlier, so I'm just using it now. E4 again. Enter. See. Okay, now. Business area should always be 9900, that is corporate other. Here also put business area 9900. Enter. Now save it. Go back. Again, go back. Go back again. Okay, so it is done for general. Then come under the node materials management. The same sequence as we did it earlier. Materials management, assign purchasing organization to company code. Execute position. What was our purchasing organization? It was QPLO, right? Yeah, QPL quadrant purchasing organization. I need to assign our company code here, QPL0. Same quadrant. Enter. Company name and save it. Yeah, continue. Then go back again. Then assign purchasing organization to plant. Yeah, execute it. Make new entries. Here, what was our purchase organization? QPLO was our purchase organization. First plant was QPL1 and again purchase organization QPLO and our plant number 2 was QPL2. Yeah. Enter and save. Then continue. Yeah. Go back. Again back. We have already done all the assignments. Now let us see if it is working or not. Now give this key code EC01. EC01. Enter. Go to structure and now navigation. Continue. Here we need to find our company code. Control F. You can find here our company code was QPL0. Enter. Save. Quadrant Private Limited. Yeah. Double click on it. And this is our organizational structure. Here this plus sign indicates we can expand these fields, right? So I'm expanding this. This is our main company, and this company code is QPL0. Then under this company code QPL0, it is plant. Under plant, We have two plants, QPL 1 first. Here we can see our four storage locations, and under QPL 1 and under QPL 0. QPL 0 is our purchase organization, which is again assigned to plant 1. See, I am expanding purchasing organization north. See, and again I'm expanding plant 2. See, this is our storage locations, and I can again expand quadrant plant 2. Purchasing organization, which is assigned with company code plant 1, plant 1. Okay, we can expand. So by expanding, we can see that our assignments are done properly or not. So see, after expanding all the nodes, we can see all the informations which we have created earlier. It's a big tree, right? No, actually not. It is not a big tree. In live business scenario, the tree could be much more bigger and longer. So it's a very small organizational structure. So I'm just showing you from beginning. So for checking purpose, this is very useful. If we have done it correctly or not. If it is done correctly, then you can do other configurations smoothly. So it's done. Okay. Going back. So I'm ending my this lecture over here. If you like this video, please like, share, and if you have any comment, do it. And I have in the description section, I have given my email address. If you have any query, just drop me an email. I will try to get back to you shortly. And the most important thing is subscribe this channel so that you can get my next videos. So thank you.